all the provisions of the Constitution ought to be looked at and interpreted holistically without having to isolate one of the provisions and move with it. When the court considers whether or not the Constitution was properly applied or interpreted by the court, it has to consider Article 1 of the Constitution, the sovereignty of the people of Kenya. The people of Machakos, by exercising their democratic rights indirectly through an election, they elected, and that should be the primary concern. And also Article 38, my lords, their political rights, that ought to override any statutory provisions emanating from Article 87. That is the Regulation 87-2, which is the only issue here, Your Lordship. When looking at the rights of the people of Machakos, as against an omission to include results of the polling station in the prescribed form, that cannot override those rights. And I urge the court to find so. Your Lordships, in the time left, I wish to respond to the issue that was raised by my learned senior on the fact that no results from the polling stations were held by the county returning officer. And I wish to say that that is misleading, in that when the court retires, it ought to...
We shall be keeping updated with that, the proceedings there, the Supreme Court getting in and out every so often to just get a sense of what exactly is happening.